points. That said, it's around 3 p.m. So let's get in Nimesh to give us a sense about what he's picking up in D3 chatter. Nimesh, what are the flows picture looking like?
Well, actually, while the Nifty is down 170 points, I won't read too much into it, largely because today we have the sensex expiry, so it adds to the volatility. And of course, this week we have the monthly expiry as well. So next 2 days could be quite volatile. And in that sense, the institutional data may not be too much to read into, so to speak. And today's number will also look larger because of the two large blocks, right? But having said that, outside of blocks as well, I understand there is buying interest, or there are buy flows. So X of blocks as well, you might have slightly a positive number from the FIs. That's a broad feedback. I guess from a buying point of view, the PSU, selective buying in PSUs continue even in today's market. So again, Concor is up 3% today. There are a lot of individual stocks which are buzzing, and there's a bit of interest as well from large institutions. I guess barring the overall flows, the trend of block deals is likely to continue. So as in when the earnings season is coming to an end, you might see a good pickup in blocks and OFS in the days to come, simply because there's so much of liquidity in the system, and I guess that's what will get matched with this kind of supply which is coming in. So X of blocks for today, I can say there is buying interest from large institutions.
Okay, all right, that's good to hear. Then Nimesh, what about individual stocks? What are you picking up?
Well, so in terms of individual names, the first stock on my list is Inox Wind. After a long time, some sense of buying interest is back in that stock. I understand one leading family office has been active buyer in the last couple of days, so that's the reason why that's buzzing in trade today. The second stock is ITC. I spoke about ITC hotels yesterday, expecting a large block. Now there is a very strong indication of a very large block in ITC itself. And again, no speculations there. There is a big rumor going around that maybe BAT will further sell stake. The only issue is, internally I checked as well, and the feedback is, last time the parent did clarify, or BAT did clarify in the investor call that they won't fall below 25%, and they won't just little over 25%. So need to see whether they're open to diluting beyond 25 as well. So that's ITC under pressure today. The third stock is Max Healthcare. A bit of buying interest is back in that name as well post earnings. Again, there are buy flows is what I understand from a flow perspective. And the last one is Indus Tower. The stock is not down. In fact, it's up 0.5%. But I understand there is a very large offer bid from a leading FI investor. So maybe there could be a block or something, but at least there is an offer in Indus Tower at current levels.
Thank you very much for that. Let's get to the market technicals then. The Nifty is